Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are at a customer's house where there was a mishap that happened when a housekeeper decided to use the laundry sink. We're going to go inside. I'm going to show you this little disaster, what we got to do to correct it. Can't do a lot of talking, so just pay attention. Yikes, let me explain to you what happened here at this house. Well, that thing's all busted up. The guy told me that they have a housekeeper here and she filled this basin up too full, and this was wall mounted, and that bracket wasn't fastened well enough. It had toggle bolts. It wasn't into wood or anything like that. That's why I don't like wall mount sinks. Got that out of here. I got a broken drain in there. Hopefully it's not in the wall. Let's get that taken care of and we'll put our new laundry tub together. Oh, that is some very, very hard tile. It's a brand new bit. Look, it melted it. I have to see what else I got. I can get through that tile because I got 3 more holes to drill. All right, success. We're able to anchor those feet down through that hard tile. Now we're ready to hook up that drain of the water lines and see if any damage happened to that drain when it broke off the wall. We'll have to find out. Well, hey, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching the video. Y'all seen me install these utility sinks before, but the whole lesson behind this video is I have never been a fan of wall hung sinks of any type, especially laundry sinks, because those are big basins. Now, the housekeeper made the mistake of overfilling that thing, and the weight from it and the lack of the anchoring in the wall caused it to fall and to break apart. It could have ended worse, breaking lines in the wall as well as water lines. But this one that we put in is fail-proof, and it's anchored to the ground, and everybody's happy. Got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to keep plumbing.